Hi all, my name is Sridevi and welcome to my another video on profit and loss. This is exercise 9A, Selina Concise mathematics book for class 7 and this is for ICSE syllabus. If you have any questions or comments, please comment on my comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So let's quickly move on to question number 1. Find the gain or loss profit if selling price is equal to 200. Cost price is equal to 200, selling price is equal to 224. Here the selling price is greater than the cost price, therefore it becomes gain. How do you calculate gain? Gain is nothing but selling price minus cost price, that is 224 minus 200, that gives you rupees 24. How is the gain percent calculated? Gain percent is equal to gain by cost price into 100, that is 24 by 200 into 100, that is 24 by 2. Therefore, the gain percent is equal to 12%. Therefore, gain percent is equal to 12%. Hope this is clear. The second one. You have the cost price as 450 and selling price as 400. Here cost price is greater than selling price. Therefore, we get loss, and loss is calculated as cost price minus selling price, that is 450 minus 400. Therefore, loss is equal to 50 rupees. Therefore, how do you calculate loss percent? Loss percent, the formula is loss by cost price into 100. That is 50 by 450 into 100. That gives you 500 by 45. That gives you 100 by 9. That is equal to 11.1 by 9%. Hope this is clear. Therefore, loss percent is equal to 11.1 by 9. Next one. They have given you cost price is equal to 550 and gain is equal to 22. So here it's just one thing that you need to find, that is gain percent, that's equal to gain by cost price into 100, that is 22 by 550 into 100, that is equal to 220 by 55, that is equal to 20 by 5, that's equal to 4%. Therefore gain percent is equal to 4%. Just pausing in for few seconds. Let's move on to the next sum. Cost price is equal to 216 and loss is equal to 72. Therefore, loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. That is equal to 72 by 216 into 100. That gives you 100 by 3. That is equal to 33.1 by 3%. Therefore, loss percent is equal to 33.1 by 3%. Just pausing in for few seconds. Moving on to the fifth sum, cost price is equal to 500, loss is equal to 100. Therefore, cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Therefore, cost price will be rupees 500 plus 100. Therefore, cost price will be equal to rupees 600. How do you find the loss percent? Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. That is equal to 100 by 600 into 100. That gives you 100 by 6. That is equal to 16.2 by 3%. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to 16.2 by 3%. Just pausing in for few seconds. Moving on to the sixth one, selling price is equal to 12, profit is equal to 4. So what will be the cost price? Cost price will be nothing but selling price minus profit. Therefore, cost price will be 12 minus 4, that is equal to rupees 8. Now, how do you find the gain? Gain percent is equal to gain by cost price into 100, that is equal to 4 into 100 by 8, that is nothing but 100 by 2, that is equal to 50%. Therefore, gain percent is equal to 50%. Moving on to the seventh one, cost price is equal to rupees 5, gain is equal to 60 paisa. How do you calculate gain percent? Gain percent is equal to gain by cost price into 100. You have one value in rupees, the other value in paisa. You convert it into rupees, both of them into rupees. Therefore, you get 0.60 by 5 into 100. That is nothing but 60 by 5. That is equal to 12%. Therefore, gain percent is equal to 12%. Question 2. Find the selling price if cost price is equal to rupees 500 and gain is equal to 25%. What do you do here? Gain percent is equal to gain by cost price into 100. Therefore, 25 is equal to gain by 500 into 100. That you get 25 is equal to gain by 5. Therefore, gain is equal to 25 into 5 by 25 into 5. Therefore, gain is equal to rupees 125. Therefore, selling price is equal to cost price plus gain, that is equal to 500 plus 125. Therefore, selling price is equal to 625. Hope this is clear, and I'm just pausing in for few seconds. Let's move on to the second sum. Cost price is equal to rupees 60 and loss is equal to 12.5%. Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100%. 12.5 is equal to loss by 60 into 100. 12.5 is nothing but 25 by 2 into 60 by 100 is equal to loss. And when you simplify, you get loss is equal to 15 by 2. That's equal to rupees 7.50. Therefore, what is the selling price? Cost price minus loss, that is equal to rupees 60 minus 7.50. Therefore, selling price is equal to rupees 52.50. Hope this is clear. Moving on to the next one, cost price is equal to rupees 150 and loss is equal to 20%. Loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100%. 20% is equal to loss by 150 into 100. Therefore, 20 is equal to loss into 2 by 3 on simplification. Therefore, you get 60 is equal to loss into 2. Therefore, loss is equal to 60 by 2, that is equal to 30. Therefore, selling price is equal to cost price minus loss, that is equal to 150 minus 30, that gives you 120. Therefore, selling price is equal to rupees 120. Hope this is clear. Just pausing for a few seconds. Moving on to the fourth sum, cost price is equal to 80, gain is equal to 2.5%, gain percent is equal to gain by cost price into 100, that is 2.5 is equal to gain by 80 into 100. On simplification, you get 0.5 into 4, therefore gain is equal to rupees 2. Therefore, selling price is equal to cost price plus gain, that is equal to rupees 80 plus rupees 2, that is equal to rupees 82. Therefore, selling price is equal to rupees 82. Moving on to question number 3. Rohit bought a tape recorder for rupees 1500 and sold it for rupees 1800. Calculate his profit or loss percent. Cost price of the tape recorder is 1500. Selling price of the tape recorder is rupees 1800. Here, selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, it becomes profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 1800 minus 1500, that is equal to rupees 300. Therefore, profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100%, that is equal to 300 by 1500 into 100. On simplification, you get 20%. Therefore, profit percent is equal to 20%. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand. Let's move on to question 4. An article brought for rupees 350 is sold at a profit of 20%. Find its selling price. Cost price of the article is equal to rupees 350. Profit percent that is given is equal to 20%. Therefore, profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. That is equal to 20 is equal to profit by cost price into 100. That is 20 is equal to profit by 350 into 100. On simplification, you get profit is equal to 20 into 7 by 2. And finally, the profit is rupees 70. Therefore, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. selling price is equal to 350 plus 70. I am just adding rupees there. So 350 plus 70, that is equal to rupees 420. Therefore, selling price is equal to rupees 420. I will just pause in for few seconds for you to understand. Pretty easy, isn't it? Yes. Let's move on to question number 5. An old machine is brought for rupees 1400 and is sold at a loss of 15%. Find its selling price. Cost price of the machine is equal to 1400. Loss percentage is equal to 15%. Loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100%. That is equal to 15 is equal to loss by 1400 into 100. Therefore, loss is equal to 15 into 4 and you get that as 210. Therefore, selling price will be nothing but cost price minus loss. Therefore, selling price is equal to 1400 minus 210. That is equal to rupees 1190. Therefore, selling price of the old machine is equal to 1190. I am just pausing in for few seconds. Let's move on to question number 6. Oranges are sold at rupees 5 for 10 and oranges are bought at rupees 5 for 10. Oranges are bought at 5 rupees 10 and sold at 6 for rupees 15. Find the profit or loss percent. Cost price of 5 oranges is rupees 10. Therefore, cost price of 1 orange is equal to rupees 2. Selling price of 6 oranges is equal to rupees 15. So, selling price of 1 orange is 2.5. Here, selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is equal to 2.5 minus 2. That is equal to 0.5. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. What is the profit? 0.5 by 2 into 100. That becomes 25%. Therefore, profit percent is equal to 25%. I am just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Let's move on to question number 7. A certain number of articles are brought at 3 for rupees 150 and all of them are sold at 4 for rupees 180. Find the loss or gain percent. Cost of 3 articles is equal to 150. Therefore, cost price of 1 article is equal to 150 by 3, that is 50 rupees. Selling price of 4 articles is 180 degrees. So, selling price of 1 article is equal to 180 by 4, that's equal to 45 rupees. Here, cost price is greater than selling price. Therefore, it is loss. Loss is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to rupees 50 minus rupees 45, that is equal to rupees 5. Therefore, loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100, that is equal to 5 by 50 into 100, that is equal to 10%. Therefore, loss percent is equal to 10%. Let's quickly move on to question number 8. A vendor bought 120 sweets at 20 paisa each. 18 were consumed and he sold the remaining at 30 paisa each. Find the profit or loss percent. Cost of 120 sweets at 20 paisa each. Therefore, total cost of sweets will be 120 into 20, that is 2400 paisa. 18 sweets were consumed, therefore the remaining sweets is 120 minus 18, that is 102. He sold the remaining sweets at 30 paisa each, that is equal to 102 into 30, you get 3060 paisa. Here, selling price is greater than cost price, therefore it is profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 3060 minus 2400, that is equal to 660. Therefore, profit is equal to profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100, that is equal to 660 by 2400 into 100, that is equal to 660 by 24, that is equal to 27.5%. Therefore, profit percent is equal to 27.5%. Let's quickly move on to question number 9. The cost price of an article is rupees 1200 and the selling price is 5 by 4 times of the cost price. Find the selling price of the article and the second one is profit or loss as percent. Cost price of an article is 1200. Selling price is 5 by 4 times of cost price, that is equal to 5 by 4 into 1200, that is 1500. Therefore, selling price is equal to 1500. Here, selling price is greater than cost price, therefore it is profit. Therefore, how do you calculate profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 1500 minus 1200, that is rupees 300. How do you calculate the profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100, that is 300 by 1200 into 100. Therefore, it is 100 by 4, that is equal to 25%. Therefore, profit percent is equal to 25%. Just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Okay, let's quickly move on to the last sum. Question number 10. The selling price of an article is rupees 1200 and the cost price of the article is 5 by 4 times of its selling price. Find the cost price of the article, profit or loss as percentage. Cost price of an article is 5 by 4 of selling price. Therefore, selling price is equal to 1200. Cost price is equal to 5 by 4 into 1200, that is 1500. Therefore, cost price is equal to rupees 1500. Here, cost price is greater than selling price. Therefore, it is loss. Here, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is equal to rupees 1500 minus 1200. Therefore, loss is equal to rupees 300. Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100 is equal to 300 by 1200 into 100, that is equal to 25%. Therefore, loss percent is equal to 25%. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye until I meet you in the next video.